What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am super blessed because I have a huge project. If you've heard of it, it's Quant, all right? If you've heard of Quant Network, it is blowing people away, right? Before I get into exactly what I'm going to talk about, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can have some fun and find some cool projects like this that's going to explain what the future is going to be like, all right? All the links are going to be down below all the way through this video, so anything I talk about, it will be addressed below. Let's get straight in. Here, guys, it's Quant.network, all right? So a quick overview of the website. At the top, we've got who, what, how, why, about, sign in, and the search bar, right? I'm going to accept the cookies as always. And the future of finance is today. So let's scroll down and have a look. So unlocking the power of blockchain for everyone. They deliver an ecosystem and real world solutions that are lower cost, enable new businesses and mitigate risk. Click let's talk and you'll see more, right? An empowered, interconnected world. So serving banks, asset managers, other financial institutions, enterprises, and the technology partners and fintech developers who like to support them. So going into the financial institutions, you have banks, investment firms, and other financial institutions are harnessing blockchain to exchange information and assets more securely and cost effectively. Now on the enterprise side, the blockchain enables companies operating multiple markets to exchange information and assets more securely and cost effectively for users as varied as a cross-border payment, supply chain challenges, or raising capital. Partners, whether you're a platform provider or an independent software vendor, a technology consultant, chances are your clients are drawn to the benefits blockchain promises. Don't be daunted by the complexity and specialist knowledge required to release them. Now to the developers. Are you one of the few developers in the world who understand all the complexities of blockchain? If you're not, don't worry. Okay, with Quant, you don't need to be a distributed ledger technology expert to build game-changing blockchain agnostic applications. Super cool. So create the value, reduce cost, and mitigate the risk. You got the capital markets, you got the payments, all right? You got the compliance side, you got the supply chain, you got the insurance side, the digital currencies. Exploring the future. So much of the financial world's digital future, they're going to be built on blockchain, right? And you can find out why by going through all these blogs here, just at the bottom. Please remember, all the links for this are going to be down below. So reducing costs and access wider markets by deploying any app on the blockchain. That's the power of our single standard multi-chain API. It's incredible, okay? It's interoperability, all right? That's what's solved here. The developers are unleashed, and it's built for enterprise like we just talked about before, all right? It's designed for the future. Existing infrastructure investments are protected, and the door is open for future cross-platforms. Okay, the future is today. All you got to do is click get started, and you can get in. The links are down below, all right? So when you click on who serves, all right? We've been through that. What is actually going to be served in this? The digital currency payments. We went through that as well. How? All right, using the products and networks and the ecosystem. We're going to have a look at a little couple, and why. Going through the blogs, you can see. So you see how we've covered all of this in here, right? Let's just have a look at their mission and values. So their mission is to unlock the power of blockchain for everyone. Delivering ecosystems and real-world solutions that simply work, lowering costs, enabling new businesses, and mitigating risks. All right, if you sign in, you can start the portal there, or you can search what you want on the Quant.network. Super easy, right? Their vision, working towards an empowered, interconnected world. All right, their values. Teams shares deep expertise in finance and technology, but what units use is our belief. So innovation, ambition, trust, adaptability, and respect. And of course, again, read the blogs if you want to explore the future. I want to jump over and have a look at the products, right? So if you click on the how section at the top, you can get to products. So looking at this, quantum solutions, third-party solutions, the premium overledger APIs, the core overledger API, and the overledger. That's what all connects to these blockchain networks. It all starts with the overledger, all right? Going through the universal interoperability and the speedy implementation built for enterprises and the design for the future. And it does sound like it might be confusing, right? But when you actually read through this word by word, it starts to get a lot easier and a lot more understandable. Premium overledger APIs, the tokenize, all right, which is creating secure digital tokens without writing a single line of code. That's the tokenize. And again, the blogs are at the bottom. Click on all of these, right? Do your own research. You want to know why and you want to know the perspectives, you can just click on that there and it will take you straight through. If you want to know how and what networks we've got, okay, you can just click on there and have a look. Let's have a look at what networks got. Any blockchain, anywhere. All right, it's got private networks and public networks. This is what I mean. Do your own research and go on this and have a look. Jumping over to their Twitter, they have 96,000 followers. It's at Quant_network. All right, let them know you're from this channel. They've got good interaction. They post some good stuff on here, right? Give them a big follow and hype it up. Let them know you're from this channel. So there it is, guys. Super, super excited about this. All right, let me know in the comments if you love the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.